Assalamualaikum. In this video I'm going to show you the easiest way for shaking PCB during etching it. I've taken out some blades from this fan so that it becomes imbalanced during rotating, as well as it can make a vibration. You see how nicely it is shaking. Now let's test it with an etching. You see, we started getting result within short time. I think it is older now. You can try it this way and I hope you will get same result like me. This was all in my short video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.